it's Erin with Weichert Realtors for Brothers.
And welcome to your virtual tour. We are at 174 Casey Drive in Liberty, Kentucky, looking at a 3-bed, 1.5 bath brick ranch. It's 1,100 square feet on 0.3 acres, and the metal roof is just 2 years old. This would make a great starter home. It's on a dead-end street, and the local high school is just around the corner. The owners put a lot of care into maintaining this home. It was previously a rental property, but has a fresh coat of paint and new carpet. A new fiber optic company has just come into the area, and this home will be serviceable.
And there we are. It's going for $150,000. If you would like to come and see it, you're welcome to give me a call. I'll put my information on the screen.